Going on, family? So you see I got my generator running. I got power running in there to make sure that my food don't go bad and just freeze everything, you know what I mean? I got a lot of this debris up what I could, you know what I mean? As you know, I couldn't even get in here. So I had to cut that off and cut all of them up and, you know, put the rest of them. The guy actually over the property got to do the rest. I did enough just to get a few things done that I needed to get done actually, but on a majority scale, you know, I still got a mess. Still got a mess out here, but I got a lot of it up though, you know what I mean? I got a lot of it up. So got the generator running, man. That's what we got to do right now. I've been getting it together though, getting things cleaned out. So it is what it is. Actually, I done watched some of this, some trees that actually fell and broke. A few of them fell down, but it's still there though, so I got to watch it. There's still a few limbs up there that's broken I can see, so we got to keep our eyes on them. Probably have baby pull up and pull over to the side. But wanted to give y'all an update. Like I say, I'm trying to do what I can while I'm in this situation, you know what I mean? So it is what it is. Hopefully everybody doing good out there. Y'all be blessed. HogOn.